Welcome back to TV5 News at 9. It is time for Design Time. We are joined now with Kathy Kilborn from Tri-City Furniture. Thank you so much for calling in today.
Well, good morning.
Good morning. There's so many options when it comes to flooring. Tell us a little bit about one of those options, LVT.
Well, LVT stands for Luxury Vinyl Tile, and it comes out of the commercial world, so we haven't heard a lot about it in using it in regular homes, but because of its durability, it has become a popular product.
Now, is this a new product, Kathy? Is this something new?
No, it's been around for many, many years. You've probably walked on it and thought you were walking on a real wood, but because it's used a lot as a wood look, but it's been around for many, many years, and they have expanded it so much that you're seeing it in colleges and in hospitals. It has some unique features, such as it's antimicrobial, and it can easily be sanitized, and you don't have to wax it. So there's a lot of positive features in this kind of product.
Well, for all of us novice shoppers out there, how do we know about the quality? How can we know that it's of good quality?
Well, that's the trick, because since it's come into the residential world, they've taken a very high quality product and made it cheaper, and it lowers the price a little bit, but not extremely. The thing is that we know it as a very high durability product that doesn't dent, that doesn't scratch, and now they brought it into a lower quality, so now we're going to see problems. And most people don't even ask about these things, so the importance in the LVT is to know the wear layer, and wear layers are rated in mils, so it's kind of like the thickness of a piece of paper. So today we have lower end mil layers, which would maybe be 6 mil or 8 mil or 12 mil, and those are considered residential. And that's kind of the thickness of these couple of papers right here. But the residential is much lower quality. When we go to the commercial, they're going to use 20 mil, 28 mil, all the way up to 30 mil. So you get a much thicker wear layer. And with that wear layer, those are the layers of the protection before you get to the actual design of the floor. But the second thing that needs to be considered along with that mil layer is the wear layer. And a lot of these products have like a urethane coating on them. But the one that you actually want would be called the ceramic bead infused. And ceramic is one of the hardest products that are out for flooring. And the ceramic beads are microscopic, but they're put into that top wear layer to seal the picture and the other wear layers against the scratching and the denting. If you just use urethane, you'll work yourself through that wear layer much quicker because it's not as hard as the ceramic beads. So you really want to make sure, if you're going to buy this product, you want to make sure it has that ceramic bead.
Well, Kathy, you know, a lot of us, we're home now. So is this something that we can easily install ourselves?
Absolutely. The pieces, and I've got just a couple different ones here, but they come in different sizes. They come in different thicknesses. They can be made as a glue down or as a floating floor. So this thicker one, I don't know if you can see it at home, but it's at least 2 to 3 times thicker than the regular LVT, so it actually can float. You might do a perimeter glue, but they go down as individual pieces. And so very easy to install. You only need a utility knife to cut them, so no saws. And you can easily change a piece down the road that may get damaged. Now, if you're buying a good quality, you won't have that problem. I've taken like a steak knife and just scratched and scratched and scratched on the serrated side, and I can't even budge this. So you can poke at it, but if you have that ceramic bead finish, you have such a hard finish that you will not break through.
Well, thank you, Kathy, for more great information. We appreciate you calling in today. Thank you.
Thank you. And if you have more questions, feel free to contact us and we can explain some of the differences between these floors because they all look the same. You want to know the specifics.
And that's Kathy Kilborn from Tri-City Furniture. Thank you for watching this edition of Design Time.